Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside the Books app. Sign in if prompted and go straight to Library. Tap Store to buy or tap the three-dot menu to import EPUB or PDFs from files. Once a title appears, tap it to begin downloading. This keeps the file local and available offline. Make sure iCloud Books is enabled so your purchases, bookmarks, and last page sync across devices. Once done, close the menu and open the book to begin reading immediately. You control how you read. Tap the center to reveal the reader menu, adjust font, size, spacing, and background for comfort and longer sessions. When a sentence matters, tap and drag to highlight, then choose Note to attach thoughts or bookmark to mark a page. Use the table of contents for big jumps and the search field to find phrases or chapter titles fast. Once you've annotated, your highlights sync to iCloud so you can review them later on another device. When you complete a book, swipe to remove it from your device or mark it read to tidy your library while keeping it in iCloud. To save or share knowledge, open Notes or Highlights and use the share sheet to send excerpts to mail, messages, or a note-taking app. If something goes wrong, like missing progress or failed downloads, first check iCloud settings, confirm iOS is up to date, and then restart your iPhone. That single step resolves most sync and download.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.